Hi, everybody. A family member of mine, an older family member, recently got this pulse ox and she was having a difficult time using it. So, this is a review slash tutorial. Okay, so step one, she could not get this lanyard onto the pulse ox. So, right here, there is a little hole, and then you need to get this skinny side of the lanyard, this part right here. So what I'm going to do is squeeze that tightly, and then I'm going to feed that in. As I feed it in, I'm just going to push, and then the top part is going to come up. Now, I know people with older fingers, this is kind of hard to do. So I have a little bit of a tip. If you get tweezers, you can pick up that top part, okay, just like that, and pull it through. Now, if your fingers are strong enough, you can keep pushing. I was able to push it through, but I do understand sometimes people struggle with feeling things, and so use the tweezers if you need to. Then you take the other side and you string it through and pull. Voila, there you are. It is on the lanyard. Okay, so that's step one. Step two, this just pulled off. It's a screen protector, so you can just take that off. All right. It also comes with two batteries. So you're going to flip it over, okay? And then there's an arrow you push up. Now, you can see in there, one battery goes one way and the other battery goes the other way. So I'm going to show you the skinny part is going to go up, but it's easiest if you push down on the spring on the flat part. So think about that. Push down on the spring with the flat part and then push in the pointy part, okay? So then you're going to do it on the other side. Find the spring, find the flat point, spring the flat, push it up, and then the front snaps in, okay? And then we're going to go ahead and put the case back on. So to do that, you're going to sort of slide it and then push. All right, so there you go. Everything is together. Now, push the button on the front and it's going to turn on. All right, we're ready to go. It says finger out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of my fingers. I'm going to make sure it's clean, it's dry. I don't have long fingernails. I'm going to put it in, and then I'm going to push the button to start. I know this is upside down, but I just want you to see it. Okay, it's reading. Now, this step is important. Now, relax. Put your hand down on the table and just wait and relax and don't move. And that is going to give you the best reading. If it doesn't work the first time, don't panic. Just take it off and maybe try it on the other hand. Again, clean, dry, warm hands. You just don't want your hands to be cold like you just came from outside in the winter. Press the on button, then put your hand down on a table and just relax. Okay. So here I am. Check my readings. I'm looking good. You will need to talk to your doctor about what your readings mean, and they will be able to give you direction. But if you're using this, your doctor probably told you to get it. So again, let's go through the steps. You are going to install the batteries. You can put the lanyard on so it's easier to hold. Put your finger in, push the on button. It's going to start. Once it starts, go ahead and put your hand down so that you don't move, and it is going to do the reading. And I am finished. There I am. Okay, so good luck using this. Here's to good health. This is a really nice, easy to use unit. Just take your time getting it set up and take your time trying to work it the first few times. And before you know it, you'll be a champ. Highly recommend.